Dual News, ranked amongst Kerala's top 5 online news webcasting portals, it is a prime digital news story outlet covering politics and societal issues. Well, this video is about how and what we did to increase its readership leveraging content marketing strategies. Keep watching to know more. The main objective of the campaign was to attain a strong readership for Dual News by connecting and engaging with its readers through creative and technologically advanced approaches. We were also entrusted with the task of improving the promotion of featured news on the portal. To achieve these objectives and goals was not at all an easy task. The number of online publications had mushroomed due to the increasing trend of viewers shifting to online consumption of news and articles, and to stand out in a ruthlessly competitive space was a very tough challenge for Dual News. The approach we used to overcome these challenges looked simple on paper but was complex in execution. In order to improve the readership, we used Facebook and Google features to seamlessly deliver featured snippets in bite-sized capsules to the audiences, showing affinity towards current affairs and also reach out to the new readers and generate an interest in them. The success of an online news portal is generally measured in three ways. One is the number of new visitors acquired, 2 is the returning visitors it gets, and 3 is the B2B ad sales. Through constantly optimized campaign, we were able to secure an increased rate of new visitors, and the rate of visitors returning to the portal also showed a steep growth. User retention was our prime goal, for which we developed content modules that were driven to maximize views and to maximize watch time. The B2B campaigns, or the business-to-business campaigns that we ran, were also successful in bringing in new business leads to Dual News, thereby giving a significant boost to its corresponding revenue streams. To drive results, we developed an ecosystem of micro-channels for distribution of digital content collaterals that aided in attaining the goal of increasing brand readership. And an outstanding 40% increase in readership was achieved through these interactive content marketing strategies. The power of social media goes beyond explanation for media and publication companies. If you are a publication company and you're looking to get some funnel-based strategies developed for your brand, do get in touch with us today.